Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'll quickly show you how to use the Create Region mouse mode. Here it's this one. When you select it, you will see here a toolbar special to this mouse mode, where you can select different types of regions like a cylinder, a sphere or a box. And it allows you to place such simple regions anywhere in the segmentation. So let's add a class sphere, and let's place it maybe in the heart here. Let's jump to the heart, and you can set a size like diameter 6 millimeters and just click somewhere and you get a sphere. You can also click somewhere in 3D, like into the paw here, and create many spheres like this anywhere you click. And let's try a cylinder. Here, select cylinder, and let's put it into the liver here. Diameter 3, length 6 millimeters here. You can see it in 3D. You can place it also in another orientation. If you click here into the coronal view, then it's oriented like this. You can see the difference here in 3D. And you can click also in 3D, and then it'll be oriented how you have your view here. So let's put it here onto the sternum, for example. Yeah, finally the third guy is the box here. You can set the width in X, Y, and Z. Let's add a class box and just position it somewhere. You can also do this in 3D, but you need to click on something, not the black part. So click on some bone or some segmentation. And yeah, you can also activate here this button, and then it'll be restricted to the input class, so we can place a sphere, for example, here into the box, a small sphere. Let's call it small, and set this to the box to input class, and then it'll be restricted to that. So you only get a part of a sphere. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.